For 100 years, this well has stayed closed, not because there is no water, not because it is broken, but because the village is hiding a secret, a very painful secret. If you enjoy deep, meaningful stories, tap like and subscribe. Now, let's begin. At the edge of a small village, there's an old well made of stone. It is covered with hard concrete. Novakit, Norop. Children are told, never go near that well. Old people become quiet when someone asks about it. If it is only an old well, why is it still closed after 100 years? Once, there was a terrible drought. No rain, no water. People were very thirsty. Someone said, let's open the old well. Suddenly, everyone became silent. An old man said, we would rather stay thirsty than open that well again. That day, people understood. This well is not normal. Long ago, this village was full of life. The land was green. The well gave clean water. People lived happily. Then one year, the rain stopped. Crops died. Food became less. People became afraid. Hunger changed people's hearts. In the village lived a poor woman. She was a widow and had a small son. She was very poor, but she was intelligent. She knew how water moves underground. She knew which wells had water. People needed her help, but instead of respecting her, they became jealous. People started talking. Why does she always have water? Why is her child not hungry? She must be doing something wrong. No one asked her the truth. Fear made people cruel. One night, village elders met together. They did not listen to her. They did not think carefully. They said she was cursed. They said the well needed a sacrifice. Before morning, they took her to the well. Her child cried loudly. She begged for mercy, but the village looked away, because it is easier to hurt one person than to accept a big mistake. The well that once gave life took a life instead. After that night, no one talked about it. They covered the well, not to protect people, but to hide their shame. After some time, rain came back. Crops grew again. Life continued, but the well stayed closed. Children grew up without knowing the truth. The story slowly disappeared. Only one rule remained: never open the well. Many years later, a young man asked questions. Finally, an old woman said quietly, that well has no water now. It only has our guilt. For the first time, someone cried for the woman, whose name was forgotten. The well is still covered today, not because it is dangerous, but because the truth is painful. Not every society is brave enough to face its past. Some places are closed, not to hide danger, but to hide what humans can do when fear controls them. That is why, after 100 years, this old well is still covered. Water can return, but guilt never disappears.